Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of bath time fun with what we believe is the best Wowwee Style Squad product on the market, the Wowwee Style Squad Bath Bomb Machine. This fun-filled gadget promises to transform ordinary bath times into spectacular fizzy experiences that kids are sure to love. So, let's explore this vibrant bath bomb machine, what it offers, and why it deserves a place in your child's bathroom. The Wowwee Style Squad Bath Bomb Machine is more than just a toy, it's an experience. Designed for kids aged 8 and above, this colorful machine allows young ones to create their very own bath bombs at home. The product comes with a whimsical gumball machine design, instantly catching the eye and making it a delightful addition to any bathroom decor. The machine dispenses bath bombs in two exciting colors, pink and purple, both infused with a bubblegum scent that will fill the tub with sweet aromas, making every bath a treat. Imagine the excitement on your child's face as they drop one of these fizzy bombs into the water. Watching it dissolve and release colors and scents that transform their bath into a magical oasis. With a total of 18 mini bath bombs included, the fun doesn't stop after just one use. It's an endless supply of relaxation and enjoyment, perfect for encouraging kids to look forward to their bath times. What sets the Wowwee Style Squad Bath Bomb Machine apart from other bath toys is its unique combination of creativity and sensory play. Not only does it offer a visually appealing product, but it also provides a wonderful sensory experience. The fizzing action of the bath bombs creates a bubbly effect in the water, stimulating children's imaginations as they play and enjoy their time in the tub. The ease of use is another significant benefit. Kids can simply turn the dispenser to choose their desired color and watch as the bath bomb pops out, ready to bring a splash of joy to their bath. This hands-on experience encourages creativity and independence, giving children a sense of ownership over their bath time ritual. Beyond the fun, the Wowwee Style Squad Bath Bomb Machine has educational benefits too. It introduces kids to basic chemistry concepts in a playful manner. The fizzing reaction when the bath bomb dissolves can spark curiosity about what causes it and how different ingredients can create such fun effects. This could lead to exciting discussions about science and the art of mixing ingredients, nurturing a love for learning in young minds. In terms of packaging, the bath bomb machine comes securely boxed, making it a perfect gift option. The design is not only eye-catching but also kid-friendly. Plus, the bath bombs are made with safe ingredients, ensuring that they are gentle on children's skin. Parents can rest easy knowing that their kids are having fun while staying safe during bath time. In conclusion, the Wowwee Style Squad Bath Bomb Machine is a fantastic addition to any family's bath time routine. With its fun design, engaging features, and educational elements, it encourages creativity, sensory play, and a love for learning, all while making bath time more enjoyable. So, if you're looking to make bath time something your child actually looks forward to, consider adding this vibrant and interactive machine to your shopping list. Thanks for joining us today at Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews on exciting toys and gadgets that can enhance your family's everyday experiences. Until next time, happy bathing!